Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Eating my clay apple.
No, Papa.
Telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open wide.
Can Callie play? Hey, it's Kate and Callie play. Today we have a new box. Let's open it.
Before you open it, what do you guys think is inside this box?
A watch.
A watch. That would be a pretty big watch.
Yeah.
Although we do know Amazon likes to waste packaging. What else could it be?
A bike.
A bike. Hold on, Callie. You think a bike could be in this box? That would be a pretty small bike, wouldn't it, Callie?
Yeah.
Caden, what do you think's in there?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Okay, well, let's open it and see. What's that?
Play-Doh.
It's dry clay. Air dry clay. Go on, open it up. Okay, so I'm going to open them and see what it feels like. Which colour should we open first?
This one.
Right, you want purple? Which one do you want, Caden?
Red.
Okay.
I'm going to open red first.
Go on then.
Like smooth.
Ooh, squishy. I like this squishy.
Me too.
And what you do, get it all out with your finger, like that. Wow, and you can squeeze it. What do you think of it? How does it feel, Callie?
Good.
It feels good? Can I have one? Which colour shall I take? I'll take
Green.
green, thank you. Let me see. So you lift the lid, like this, slowly.
It feels
And there
like
it is.
mud. Look what I've made.
It's a bit slimy.
Like in Guyana, they have slimy like this.
This is called air dry clay. You can stretch it. And mould it into different shapes. What can we make? We can make anything with this. What would you want to make? We can make some really cool things, and that's why we've got these, because these are our cutters and shapers.
I'm gonna cut them.
We can use this board to put it on like this, okay? Cut, sliced. And
I'm gonna do
cut, sliced again.
I'm doing it. Cut. Slimy. I'm just gonna make my pancake. Just need a
Like that, I can eat it.
pieces. This slice is for mommy.
Thank you, Kay. This is stretchy, isn't it? We could make some food.
Johnny.
Yes, Mama?
Eating clay.
No, Mama.
Telling lies.
No, Mama.
Everyone.
This stuff is so cool. I love how it feels. It's so cool.
I'm gonna do it.
Look what I made.
Huh?
I made an apple.
Look what
Apple.
I've made. I've made
Hey, John.
a clock.
Very nice clock. Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Eating my clay apple.
No, Papa.
Telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open wide.
Ha.
I have my apple back.
Orange.
I'm making a fruit bowl. And we have another
Here,
orange.
Mommy. Here.
My fruit bowl's looking very good. I think you'll agree. We could do some blueberries.
I'm gonna get some brown.
We have another red. Da.
It's
Up.
I'm gonna do it.
Da-da-da.
Now
This is what I've made. I made my pirate.
pirate ship.
This is my ship in the water.
Wow, so this is the water, the blue obviously.
I break all the red
That's
and I
it.
made and then I got some blue to make it for the water and then I was finished and then I put it on top.
Excellent, Caden. I like your ship. Very nice, very creative. Okay, so we've been working very hard and we've made a fruit bowl. So as you'll see here, we have banana, apple, lovely juicy oranges, blueberries, and some yummy, yummy strawberries at the front right here.
Don't forget to subscribe.